All right, so I'm about to launch. I haven't been to this pond since last fall. There's a kayak tournament coming up here in just about a month. So I'm gonna practice, learn the place a little bit better. Um, if the tournament was the last time I was here in the fall, I would have won a lot of money because I had a really good day. But that said, I've had some pretty bad days here too. So we're just gonna see what's out there. You know, it's a month away. What works today isn't going to work in a month probably, but just gonna get the lay of the land, see if there's any new structure, new laydowns that fell over the winter, things like that. So there's fish jumping out there. We should do all right today. There's one. There's one. Pick. A pick. A little pick. I feel like almost every day the first fish of the day is a pick. Oh, oh yes. Sliming up the canoe. Because that's what he do. Gross. There's one. Or it's a really good snag. No, that's a fish. Well, now the 4-inch dinger's working. Oh, that's a good fish too. All right. Oh, let's hope we find this guy on tournament day. And 4 more of his buddies. That's skinny, but long. There it is. There it is. There it is. All right. First fish of the morning. I'm not going to measure him. Doesn't really matter. Long and skinny. Perfect kayak tournament fish. Kayak? Kayak tournament fish. All right. I said kayak. I have the brain of a pickerel. There he is. Oh. Oh, he came off. I didn't even have a fucking hook in him. How and why and fuck you. There's one. Oh, that might be a big fish. That might be big. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. The canoe. Oh, I got you. I got you. Oh, shit. Get the fuck out. Cool beans, man. Cool fucking beans. Christ. Check that fucking fish out. Long and skinny. Just what we're looking for. Kayak bassin'. Motherfucking kayak bassin'. You know what? Let's get a length on this one. We should have got a length on the last one. Just to know where we'd be at. 16 and a half. Cool fish. All right, one more time. Cool fish. Oh, Yum Dinger's really getting it done today. As always. Here's one. Here's one. Oh. Okay. There's one. All right. Not very big. Not very big. Not very big. Hey. Not very big. For the sake of tournament practice, let's just see how not very big we're talking. Oh, Christ. You son of a bitch. Relax. Dude. Dude. 12. That's a good one. It feels like a good one. Feels like a good one. Oh yeah, that's a good one. We need this one on tournament day. Yeah, we need this one on tournament day. Oh, he came off. That wouldn't have counted on tournament day. God damn. Ow, I would have netted him. I will have the net. And I will be netting fish. That was a good one, though. That was a good one, though. So, that's funny. Oh. Well, the lesson from that, if we're out here practicing for a tournament, is secure the goddamn fish and get the goddamn picture before showing it off to the camera. This is why we're out here. We're learning. We are learning. There's a monster ripple behind where my bait hit the water. And that's the fish. That fish doesn't match the ripple I saw, but all right. Ooh. And that's 5, which is a limit, which on tournament day is my number one hope, is that I catch a limit. If I don't catch the size to win, that's fine. But I really would like to catch the 5 fish that I can. There's one. There's one. Little guy. Wouldn't even be a cull in the tournament. Wouldn't even be a cull. He really got it though. I give him that. All right, little fucker. Oh God, I'm in the tree. Oh no. Oh, gross. Oh, bugs. I equate trees with bugs. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 7:13 a.m.
Yeah, time to go. Hey Siri, you can turn off my 7:15 alarm.
I've turned off your 7:15 a.m. alarm.
All right. Not a bad morning before work. I'm gonna hit this place a few more times before tournament day. Work some other areas. Oh, goddamn. Something's in the air. I've been sneezy all fucking morning. All right, that's all she wrote.